guys, it's Nikki with Built Brigade, and today I'm going to go over some squat basics. So I'm going to start out by rolling out my quads, glutes, hamstrings, my calves, as well as my back.
Ever to your fire, tell me where you're going, tell me where you're out tonight. I go all laser lights when you're by my side, everything I do now, just tell me if you're...
Alright, so first things first, I want to talk to you guys a little bit about equipment. I have squat shoes. I prefer squatting in squat shoes. I like a little bit of a heel. It's more comfortable for me. If you're not feeling the heel, then you can do flat foot shoes. So I have Nobles, the trainers. Those are great for deadlifting, squats if you like a flat sole. And then I wouldn't recommend squatting or deadlifting in Converse. The reason being, the toe box is really small. And you literally want to be able to, you want to be able to spread your feet out, like your toes, to be able to grip the ground. And if you can't do that, you're not getting as much stability during your lift. So the other thing is knee sleeves. I have SBDs. You can get much cheaper ones that work just as well. And belts.
Still up so late out, deep down in the night, even when the lights down, tell me if you're looking out.
All right, so squat stance can be very individual to the person depending on the length of your limbs, your goals, the sockets in your hips. It can depend on a lot of things. So finding what's comfortable for you is very important. That being said, there's high bar and there's low bar. So high bar is gonna rest more so on your traps, where low bar will kind of lay like right on your rear delts. So with high bar, you're going to get a little bit more quad activation. So if you're looking to grow your quads, high bar is great. If you're looking for more of a strength movement, then low bar is great. So right now I'm doing high bar because that's what I'm programmed. And I'm just going to put my feet about shoulder width apart. And this is what I would recommend starting with. And then you can kind of descend into your squat, keep your chest up, and then you're gonna push through your heels while still keeping a good base, like a tripod with your feet.
To your eyes, ever to your fire, tell me where you're going, tell me where you're out tonight. I go all laser lights when you're by my side, everything I do now, just tell me if you're out tonight.
All right, so with stance, if shoulder width doesn't feel right, you can try a little bit wider, you can try a little bit narrower. Kind of depends on you, like I said. So, I mean, this is pretty narrow, but. And then wider would be a little bit more adductors and your inner quad. But you can try both, see what works for you. And if you don't have squat shoes, but you want to see if your range of motion is a little bit better, then you can just take some plates and throw them under your heels. Just be careful, and you can see if that works better for you. All right, guys, so I'm going to talk to you about belts. Stay tuned because Coach Peter is actually going to be dropping a video on using a belt during squats and properly bracing. So belts are actually there to support your trunk, stabilize you, and indirectly protect your spine, and it'll help you to move more weight. So when you have it on, you're really just going to be pushing out against the belt just to not strengthen, excuse me, but to stabilize your trunk.
It feels tight today.
Oh, I've been dancing on my own. As long as you're looking, I don't feel alone. This music just been going on. But as long as you're looking, I'm not going home. Oh, I've been dancing on my own. As long as you're looking, I don't feel alone.
All right, guys, so that's all I have for you today. I hope you guys learned something. Drop a comment below on what you want to see next, and stay tuned for Coach Peter's video.